Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the bumper opening precisely, width, height, and depth, then mark the center line. This prevents asymmetry later. Once done, hold the mesh over the opening and trace cut lines, keeping a 1/2 overlap for mounting. You should choose stainless mesh, 1820 gauge with a 1/2 grid, because it resists corrosion and holds shape. Make small pilot holes on the bumper flange where you'll fasten, using masking tape to prevent paint chips and to align mounting points. Now trim the mesh to an oversized panel so you can fine-tune the fit. Snip gradually rather than hacking to avoid warps. You'll file and deburr all edges because sharp edges will tear paint or injure you. Once trimmed, form mounting tabs to match the bumper flange angle. Do this slowly in a vise or with pliers to preserve mesh geometry. Test fit the piece repeatedly, aiming for gaps under 3 mm, and mark rivet or bolt positions every 60 to 80 mm for even load distribution. To secure the mesh, align it and drill through the marked holes. Then fasten using pop rivets, push clips, or M6 bolts with nylon washers for vibration damping. Once mounted, seal the joint with automotive-grade silicone to prevent moisture and paint corrosion. Then prime and paint any exposed edges to match the bumper. If you see flex or vibration, stop and add rubber washers, tighten or replace fasteners with larger diameter rivets or bolts, and reduce unsupported spans to eliminate resonance and rattles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.